Ladies and gentlemen, I need you to stop wasting your time and tokens starting from a blank screen. What if you could take a free, professionally designed landing page and turn it into a fully functional live SaaS product in a single session? Well, I'm going to show you exactly how right now. Alrighty, so ladies and gentlemen, I would like to introduce you to what is known as Rocket. But more importantly, you guys, there is a massive amount of things that you can actually do here. So kicking it off, if you actually go right here to what is known as resources, you can go to templates and you can see right here, ready to use save tokens. If you actually click that, you guys will see that there are a lot of different categories. But more importantly, if we take a look here, we have technology, okay? Whenever it comes to these templates, there are over 25,000 plus free templates. Dive down and see if you can find anything that you like. Now let's go ahead and start building. Now, since you know that there's a massive amount of templates, as mentioned, you are going to be able to pick any type of template that you would like. Not only that, but you can actually customize them for free. So in this case, we are going to show you exactly how this works. All right. So we're going to pick technology just as an example. We're going to go over here and do Academy Elite Learning Landing Page Template. That is what we're going to pick. So all you have to do is click this button. And then after that, you're going to go directly to the dashboard and it is going to start working its magic. So technically, you're going to be able to select a SaaS template and click the Customize Free Template button. I want you guys to understand that I am choosing this template because I actually want to build a working SaaS. Even whenever it comes to getting all this done, right, you're going to be able to customize it for free, but there's a lot of things that you can actually do. So for example, you can quickly swap brand fonts or let's say hero image directly with this editor. If you actually take a look down here, you're going to be able to enter something into this little prompt. All right. So in this case, we're going to put like transform this landing page into a project management SaaS, adding a user dashboard layout, a pricing section, and a dynamic task list. All right. So we're going to go ahead and do this. Whenever it comes to this little AI chat, all right, you guys, you can actually input exactly what you want. And you can actually watch the UI generate the new dashboard layout. So I want you guys to understand whenever it comes to, Rocket, I mean, you don't need to manually configure settings to get this ready for real users. All right. The platform actually uses a command system to build your backend and ensure it is ready for launch instantly. Now you guys can see over here, big transformation, love it. A couple of questions before diving in. For the user dashboard plus dynamic list, these need a backend, as we just briefly mentioned, to store tasks. All right. For the pricing section, are you looking for a display only or live payments? So in this case, let's just do like display only or something like that, right? Just kind of an example. All right, let's go ahead and do that. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, so it is officially finished with its task. It did ask me a few questions, as you guys already saw. So for example, like a display only pricing table, tiers, features, CTAs. It asked how we want to connect, right? The backend. Once again, we're choosing what is known as Supabase, and it's asking me to connect. So we'll actually talk about that here in a few moments. Let's go ahead and add an element. So we're actually going to add a testimonial card under what our customers say in the review section. So if we actually kind of scroll down, we should have that somewhere around here. If not, it's going to automatically add it. Okay. So let's go ahead and do that really quick. Alrighty, guys. So after waiting probably just a couple minutes, you guys can see that it has officially added a review section component. And if I'm correct, it also created a page. So if we actually scroll down now, you guys can actually see right here, reviews. Next task we're going to do real quick is we're going to add the Supabase authentication. So as you guys saw earlier, it was talking about that as the back end. So I'm going to be actually setting up a login, sign up, and forgot password. And that's going to be for the Supabase. All right. Now, something else I would like to do here, you guys, you're going to be able to add socials. So I'm going to add social authentication with Google and GitHub as well. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, now since we have that completed, let's go ahead and do improve SEO. That's what we're going to do here, right? Some production commands. Alrighty, so ladies and gentlemen, after waiting about another few minutes, I want you guys to understand, you guys can see everything that technically has been fixed, especially with the SEO. So you just kind of scroll through here to the left and you guys can see everything, right? Meta tags, metadata, right? Structured data. We got site map and robots. We got interlinking. We have environment configuration, files, and you guys, it literally added everything. That's something else we're going to go ahead and implement real quick. It's going to be privacy compliance. Alrighty, so ladies and gentlemen, while it is still working its magic, it was asking me about an email address we would like to send, especially for compliance. In this case, it is support@enroll.com. Alrighty, so ladies and gentlemen, really quick, I'm going to show you some integrations. We are going to go back to the landing page that we are currently working on, which is going to be right here for Enroll. So right up here at the very top, you'll see that we have these 3 dots. All right, so this is not an integration section. This is what is known as a connectors section. So if we actually take a look here, we're going to be able to click, and you guys are going to see once again that there is 29 different options, right? So I'm going to do 2 of them for you. The first one we're going to do is what is known as Airtable. We're going to click right there, and we're going to actually go to what is known as Connect, all right? So you guys are going to see right here, sign into Airtable. Boom, easy and simple, and sign in, all right? Rocket is requesting access, all right? You can only grant access to bases and workspaces that you have access to. I assume we can just go ahead and add it, right? And then there we go, grant access. So pretty easy and simple. That's exactly how this works, all right? So it says connected, all right? Okay, you guys, so let's go ahead and do our second integration, also known as our connector. So we are going to be adding Notion, which is right here. We're going to go right here for connect. You guys can see technically I've already done all that. I'm going to click right here. I recognize and trust this URL. We're going to go ahead and click on continue. Okay. Once we have officially connected, we're actually going to go ahead and launch this, and then we're going to be able to open the actual URL. You guys will see right there, we are officially connected. All right. So let's go back. We can go to preview. You can see right here, we have that launch button as mentioned. So let's go ahead and click update. That is what we're going to do. All right. Alrighty, so ladies and gentlemen, overall URL finally updated. You guys can see right here, we can actually copy this, right? And then we can go ahead and enter this into a brand new URL. And there is our web page. So you guys can see it, right? Looks great, looks awesome as mentioned. Now, if you'd like to, you're more than welcome to go right up here to these little dots. We have what is known as analytics. As mentioned, you're gonna be able to see exactly, we got the visits, unique visitors, page views, we got visit duration, we got bounce rate, right? This is actually from today. Let's see if we can do like the last like 3 months, see if something's gonna show up. There you go. So visits, unique visitors, page views, and more, okay? So the site, it is live. This is the data. You can see the traffic, everything. It's tracked, you guys. So I'm gonna highly recommend you guys check this out as mentioned. Alrighty, so there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. If you are building anything in 2026, speed matters. Rocket gives you 25,000 plus starting points. And the tools, well, you can turn them into real products. Check the link down below and try it yourself. Let me know in the comments what you want to build. Not only that, but be sure to smash up that like button, smash up that subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video.